We're here at Shoreview House in Green Bay, California. Look at this. This thing is like pristine. Well, these buttons got replaced. Atlas. Look at how far in they push. Atlas. Ooh. This thing is actually pretty big. Look at that. This is a really big swing. Look at how far back it goes. Holy shit. Normal swing doors kind of stop like right here. Like there. This thing is freaking deep. Gotta utilize that extra space, I guess. Yeah. Cool. That's an old certificate. This is a newer certificate, but both of them are outdated. Very cool elevator though.